Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to select your desired folders or files, or select all folders and files except one folder or file. You need to hold down your control key and then choose whatever folder or file you like. You need to click mouse left click button to select or unselect any folder or files. So after selecting the folder or file, you can copy it, move it, or delete. If you want to select all folders and files, then you need to click Ctrl and A on your mouse on your keyboard, and then if you want to select any one folder or files, if you want to select one folder or file from all the files and folders, again hold down Ctrl key and with mouse left click button and select it. So how it is easy to select all folders or files or your desired folders and files. Please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.